Free entertainment for life just happened in my backyard and I'm obsessed. My golden retriever discovered my cat's secret friendship with a wild cardinal, and now they're an inseparable trio. Every morning at 7 sharp, the bird lands on my fence, the cat sits perfectly still underneath, and my dog watches like he's supervising their daily meeting. The cardinal actually chirps at my cat, who meows back, and my dog's tail wags the entire time like he's translating between them. Yesterday, I caught them sharing my cat's food bowl, the bird eating from one side while my cat ate from the other, and my dog just laying there making sure nobody interrupted their breakfast date. Turns out Disney movies were actually documentaries.